1957. And this film is also won Golden Lion Award at the 27 Venice Film Festival. इसके अलावा जो डायरेक्टर है उन्होंने कापो और द वाइट ब्लू रोड फिल्म भी बनाई, जो वो भी काफ़ी फेमस फिल्म हुई। और मैं भी पीछे गूगल में देख रहा था कि जो डायरेक्टर हैं उनकी फैमिली बड़ी में जो ब्रदर हैं उनके जो सिस्टर हैं वो भी देश के लिए और इस तरह के काम में जुड़े रहे। इवन एक वो न्यूक्लियर फिजिसिस्ट नेशनल इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर नोन उनके भाई रहे हैं। तो बड़ा अच्छा इनका नाम रहा है। मैं देख रहा था गिलो के बारे में। तो वाचिंग दिस मूवी इज़ नॉट जस्ट अबाउट एंजॉइंग ए ग्रेट पीस ऑफ सिनेमा, it is also a chance for us to think, discuss and understand the historical and ongoing impact of colonialism. I encourage all of you to join the discussion after the film, share your thoughts and learn from each other. Thank you, and I hope you all enjoy this film. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Muskan, and good morning, everyone. Yesterday was Guru Purnima, so happy Guru Purnima to all of my teachers here. And today is first Savan of this, first Monday of this Savan. So happy Samari and happy Savan to all of us. Ladies and gentlemen, I have come here to say that everyone must having some questions in their mind. That should I watch this 2 hours film? What is so special about it? Neither is this a Bollywood film full of a dance songs like Savan Mein Lag Gayi Aag or Mere Laina Savan Bhado, Husn Tera Tauba Tauba. Friends, this film is black and white film, as you know. In the end of the reality of the life is also black and white. With time of the colors, with time all the colors get washed away. And in the end we will be left only with carbon. Similarly, this movie is also a depiction of a real event of the Algerian struggle for independence, and this film is black and white to add to its sense of historical authenticity. Dear scholars, this film, The Battle of Algeria, is the must-watch film because I will give you 5-6 reasons. तो आपको ये ना लगे कि हम 2 घंटे बैठे हैं तो क्यों बैठे हैं. First of all, this film featured a cast without professional actors, including many who had been part of the actual resistance. Secondly, in 2008, this film was included in the Italian Ministry of Cultural Heritage 100 Italian films to be saved, a list of 100 films that have changed the collective memory of the country between 1942 and 1978. This film served as a template for liberalist, the film's realistic depiction of French counter-insurgency tactics. One more important thing, it was keenly studied by security agency and law enforcement worldwide. The guerrilla warfare, as you know about the Shivaji's tactics, but here's something different. The guerrilla warfare waged by the people of Algeria, with the first time such tactics had been used in the urban environment. After the invasion of Iraq in 2003, the Pentagon held a special screening of the film, and it has since become an almost mandatory trying tool in US Army War College. Friends, before we dim the light, I hope that I have given you the right arguments and reasons, and I have succeeded in convincing you to watch this film. Thank you.
Front de libération nationale. Communiqué numéro 1. Peuple algérien. Notre action est dirigée contre le colonialisme. Le but est l'indépendance nationale avec la restauration de l'État algérien, dans le cadre des principes islamiques et le respect de toutes les libertés fondamentales, sans distinction de race ni de religion. Aux autorités françaises, pour limiter les pertes en vies humaines, nous proposons une honorable nationale vous appelle à la lutte.
واش مصدر ابو جوي هاي مصدر تقدموا هذه ما تربحش وهذه ما تربحش هذه ما تربحش.
De la guerre révolutionnaire. Après une première phase de terrorisme, on passe à l'insurrection armée. C'est ainsi que de la guérilla, on passe à la vraie guerre.
Il y a des fous.
Précisément. En Indochine, ce sont eux qui ont vaincu.
Sir, I would like to invite you here to say few words about the film. Or you can speak from there also. Okay, so kindly come here and thank you.
I will be very. My name is Abdul Ali. I am the first secretary in the Embassy of Algeria. I am fresh new. I have only 8 months in New Delhi, in this beautiful country. But in the first time I came here, I touched the warmth and the hospitality of the Indian people. I am very impressed of this kind of gesture of this kind people. Then thank you for your hospitality. About the film, you know, The Battles of Algiers is one of the epic movies made in Algeria. It's made by an Italian production because Italy was the best and the best who support the revolution at this time. And the Italians share with Algeria the same principles and same convictions. As you see in the movie, it was not equal battles between one army prepared and between individuals. But you see the conviction of the principles and the ideas gave the how to say it, make the victory comes true. So, and there was also a level of working. There was political level, armed level, and popular level. You know, they start with making separate attacks, then coordinate with the political level to hear the voice of Algeria on the United Nations, and after all those how to say it, those works, they give the revolution to the people. And then the people comes out to the street, and the real people who brings the independence to Algeria. Thank you. Thank you.
I would like to add something for all of you. You could enjoy this film because he had written all the subtitles. So a big round of applause.
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
So now I would like to request our head of department, Professor Gajendra Singh sir, to facilitate our guest.
This is our department coffee man.
I am a coffee man. Thank you. Thank you.
And this is our latest issue of Indian Journal of African History.
Thank you, sir. Dear scholars, this film undoubtedly raises many questions and sparks strong reactions. To begin our discussion, I would like to open the floor for initial remarks by our professors, and then we'll divide the discussion into two parts. So after that we'll discuss about the film. If you have any comment about the film, your feelings, whatever you feel, whatever you understand, so you can share with us. So first of all, if any professor of our department want to say anything on this film, so sir, please, and ma'am.
Depiction of anti-colonial struggle of Algeria, and we could all relate to it. Though none of us was there during our anti-colonial struggle, but still we could relate because of the movies which are made like this one. And if we see here the mindset of the French colonialists in Algeria, and the brutal methods and ways and strategies they had made to continue or sustain their dominance in Algeria is, beyond any human understanding. But the depiction through and through was so realistic. The alleyways which were shown, the struggle between the locals and the colonialists through those alleyways show is a clear depiction of mindset of the